Today is all about the 10 world's most powerful and fastest motorcycles you might have not known yet. Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Arthur.
And of course, Richard Aguilar here, and welcome back to our channel.
Now before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for you to always be updated on our new videos.
Have you ever thought about what is the fastest motorcycle in the world? We are talking not just about fast motorcycles, but about the most powerful and mega fast bikes, able to speed up to unbelievable 230 miles per hour or even higher. So today, get ready to see the top 10 fastest bikes you might have not known yet.
And without further ado, here we go with our number 1.
Number 1 is Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a supercharged super sport class motorcycle in the Ninja Sport Bike series, manufactured by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Featuring a variable speed centrifugal type supercharger, the track-only variant is called Ninja H2R, and it is the fastest and most powerful production motorcycle on the market. It produces a maximum of 310 horsepower and 326 horsepower with ram air. The H2R has 50% more power than the fastest street-legal motorcycles, while the street-legal Ninja H2 has a lower power output of 200 horsepower to 210 horsepower with ram air.
Number 2 is Ducati Panigale V4R. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a sport bike with a 1103cc Desmodromic 90 degrees V4 engine introduced by Ducati as the successor to the V-twin engine 1299. A smaller engine displacement version complies with a superbike category competition regulations, which state over 750cc up to 1000cc for 3 and 4 cylinder 4-stroke engines. Number 3 is Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. The CBR1000RR, marketed in some countries as the Fireblade, is a 998cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder sport bike introduced by Honda in 2004 as the 7th generation of the CBR series of motorcycles that began with the CBR 900RR in 1992. The Honda CBR1000RR was developed by the same team that was behind the MotoGP series.
Number 4 is Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-R1000R. The Suzuki Hayabusa or GSX-R1000R is a sport bike motorcycle made by Suzuki since 1999. It immediately won acclaim as the world's fastest production motorcycle with a top speed of 303 to 312 km per hour. Besides its speed, the Hayabusa has been lauded by many reviewers for its all-around performance, in that it does not drastically compromise other qualities like handling, comfort, reliability, noise, fuel economy, or price in pursuit of a single function. Number 5 is BMW S1000RR. BMW S1000RR is a sport bike initially made by BMW Motorrad to compete in the 2009 Superbike World Championship that is now in commercial production. It was introduced in Munich in April 2008 and is powered by a 999cc 4-cylinder engine, redlined at 14,200 RPM. BMW made 1000 S1000RR model in 2009 to satisfy World Superbike homologation requirements, but expanded production for commercial sale of the bike in 2010.
Number 6 is Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. Introducing the RS V4 1100 Factory, the latest evolution in the RS V4 family, arranged with impeccable lineage in its superbike history, which includes 7 world titles. Add racing world technology and a wealth of experience developed in MotoGP, and the results, it's an exceptional bike both on the road and on the track.
Number 7 is MV Agusta Brutale 1000 Serie Oro. The MV Agusta Brutale series of motorcycles are manufactured by MV Agusta of Italy, starting in 2001. Its style is classified as a naked bike, and the series consists of several models powered by either inline 4 or inline 3 dual overhead cam engines in various capacities. The engine is a liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder 4-stroke set across the frame with dual overhead cam, 16 radial valves, electronic multi-point fuel injection, and induction discharge electronic ignition, having engine displacements of 749.5 cc, 998 cc, and 1078 cc.
Number 8 is Suzuki GSXR-1000R. The Suzuki GSXR-1000 is a sport bike from Suzuki's GSXR series of motorcycles. It was introduced in 2001 to replace the GSXR 1100 and is powered by a liquid-cooled 999cc inline 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine. The GSXR 1000 engine was a redesigned GSXR 750 engine. The R1000 had a 1mm bigger bore and 13mm longer stroke, newly designed pistons with lower crown, and gear-driven counterbalancer. Number 9 is Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is a motorcycle in a Ninja sport bike series from the Japanese manufacturer Kawasaki, the successor to the Ninja ZX-9R. It was originally released in 2004 and has been updated and revised throughout the years. It combines an ultra-narrow chassis, low weight, and radial brakes.
Number 10 is Yamaha YZF-R1M. Yamaha launched the YZF-R1 after redesigning the Genesis engine to create a more compact engine by raising the gearbox input shaft and allowing the gearbox output shaft to be placed beneath it. This design feature was revolutionary, called a stacked gearbox. It has set a precedent for other manufacturers to follow.
that concludes this video for today.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this with others.
Once again, this is Arthur.
And I am Richard Aguilar.
Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.